this channel, Seasons of Wonder. My name is Giselle. I am a homeschooling mom to one little girl. Her name is Isabella. And on this channel, I love sharing all that I am learning in this beautiful homeschooling / motherhood journey. In today's video, I wanted to do something just a little different. So I usually do sit down videos and share any ideas and just things that I'm implementing in my own homeschooling journey. But today I wanted to do a little short vlog just so that I could share a little more of our lives with you and just welcome you into our home. And so first I wanted to share our Christmas decorations. We did make that popcorn Christmas garland with my little princess. We made that, I want to say, like 2 weeks ago. And it was just so memorable, and I love decorating with things that are natural, but are also experiences. And that is what makes it so special, and I love it. I think it looks so pretty. So we just did the garlands, and I added these little red bows. So I will be flipping the camera so that I can show you what that looks like. So this is the way our fireplace looks. I like the way it looks from the top part, and I don't want to share too much from that bottom part because I still have that protection from when my little princess was still a baby, but I still have it there because we do have firewood there that we don't want her to get to. And so but that's what the fireplace looks like, and I really like it. And that is our Christmas tree. So I like having a small Christmas tree. It's so easy to take out and put away, and I still love the way it looks. So there it is. And I also decorated this little bookcase. So I have there our Advent wall decoration. It says days until Christmas. And that is what that looks like. And so our home looks like this right now. It's a little messy because I have someone here who is playing all day long, and so it's hard to catch up with the mess. She does help me, but it's really hard. But that's okay. I'm glad that she does play a lot. That makes me happy. So I also wanted to share with you, well, a few days ago I had entered a giveaway and I actually won. I never win anything, but I won. And I won 2 pairs of mommy and daughter bracelets. And I absolutely love them, and I'm so thankful, and I just wanted to share this small business with you because I'm just really thankful, and I think they're so pretty. So the first pair looks like this, and it says mommy. I don't know if you can read it, but it says mommy. And then the matching little bracelet, this one says darling, and that one's for my little princess. And the second pair looks like this, and I love the little charm. It's a little giraffe, so I don't know if you can see the little charm. And then the matching little bracelet for my little one. And so they are just so lovely, and I love supporting small businesses. She has so many lovely designs. I love her mommy and daughter bracelets. So if you're interested, please don't forget to go look at her Instagram page. So we're getting ready to bake some cookies. We've been wanting to bake cookies forever, but we haven't been able to, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna go get the recipe and get everything ready. My little princess is gonna be helping me, and I'll be showing you the recipe in case you wanna make it at home. And I hope they come out real nice. Hope they're delicious. So this is the recipe, and I just noticed that it says dried cranberries, and I got fresh cranberries, so I hope it's okay. I think it'll be okay, I will be linking this recipe down below. It's from Pinterest in case you want to make it at home. So I just noticed on the recipe that first you make the dough and then you place it in the refrigerator for a few minutes, for a few hours, and so they will not be complete until later on. So I hope that I can get a picture of them to include in the video. But if not, thank you so much for coming along. That's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you next time.